Hi, my name is Patrick and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. Coming at you today with an ACT math question. This was question 51 from the math section of ACT 74H. Right there you can pause it, pause the video, take a crack at it yourself, and then unpause and watch the explanation. See how you did. Could be good. Because we're getting in there. It reads, the three lines with equations y equals 4, x equals negative 3, and y equals x, respectively, bound a unique triangular region in the standard xy coordinate plane. That is my favorite coordinate plane. Which of the following descriptions is the best classification of this triangle? I don't know. Damn. Alright, well let's sketch it out. We got a rough xy coordinate plane here. Y equals 4 would be a horizontal line 4 units north of the x-axis, so we got that going on. And then x equals negative 3 would be a vertical line to the left of the y-axis. So we got that going on. And then we have y equals x, which is just the best diagonal line with a slope of 1. Well, these vertical and horizontal lines definitely intersect at a right angle, so I can eliminate some answer choices. It's not equilateral, it's not acute, and it's still not acute. So only C and E are still around. But how am I supposed to know whether it's isosceles or scalene? What is slope? Slope is the relationship of rise over run, right? We have this right triangle, and its legs are perpendicular to the axes. It's going straight up and straight over. And this slanted line is its hypotenuse, which has a slope of 1. Well, if the hypotenuse has a slope of 1, then its change in y equals its change in x, because that's how you would get 1 out of a fraction. The change in y would be this leg. The change in x would be the other leg. So they must be equal to each other. Otherwise, the slope wouldn't be 1. So the answer is C, an isosceles triangle with two congruent legs. Cool. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? Or go out there and draw a triangle on a building in chalk. If you have any questions about this problem or any others, feel free to hit me up in the comments below, or you can email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. In the meantime, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.